how much should you actually spend on an espresso machine? It's interesting because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. You really have to dig a little deeper to find the hidden gems.
Product number 1, Breville Barista Express. First up is the Breville BES 870XL Barista Express espresso machine. Priced at $684.94, this beauty caught my eye with its sleek, brushed stainless steel finish. If you want to craft cafe-quality espresso shots, lattes, and cappuccinos at home, this is worth a serious look. This machine is all about giving you control. It has a built-in grinder, which means you can use fresh coffee beans for the most flavorful espresso. With a 67-ounce water tank and the ability to brew single or double shots, it's designed for convenience. Plus, the 1600 watts of power ensures you get optimal brewing temperatures every time. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Fresh grounds mean better flavor, and being able to brew multiple cups at once is crucial for entertaining. Now, some people complained about the learning curve. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the quality of espresso you can brew is unmatched. If you're someone who loves to experiment with your coffee, this might be a small obstacle that's totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you truly enjoy the art of making coffee at home. Skip this one if you just want a quick cup without the fuss. For the quality you're getting, it's definitely a worthwhile investment.
Product number 2, a Tatix espresso machine with milk frother. This compact stainless steel machine is designed for home or office use and has a 20-bar pressure system, which is impressive for its price, although the exact price isn't listed. If you want a professional shot at home, this is definitely worth a look. The 20-bar pressure ensures that you get the perfect extraction, leading to rich flavors and that golden crema we all love. Plus, it preheats in just 30 seconds, which is great for those busy mornings when every second counts. Here's why this matters for you. That perfect shot of espresso can make or break your morning routine. And with the ability to make dense microfoam for your lattes and cappuccinos, your coffee will taste like it came from a cafe. However, some users mentioned the milk frother could be better. But honestly, if you're aiming for barista quality drinks at home, this machine still delivers incredible value and makes the process enjoyable. This is perfect for you if you want to be more creative with your coffee drinks at home. Skip this if you're looking for something more basic and straightforward. But for the price, it's a solid choice.
Product number 3, Shardor 3.5 bar espresso machine. Now let's check out the Shardor 3.5 bar espresso machine. At just $39.99, this one's a steal if you're on a budget, but still want to enjoy a decent espresso at home. It's compact and super easy to use, making it ideal for smaller kitchens or dorms. If you're looking for an affordable way to enjoy espresso, this is worth considering. The 3.5 bar pressure system isn't as powerful as some others, but it still manages to extract a smooth espresso-style brew. This means you can still enjoy a decent cup of coffee without breaking the bank. Plus, the intuitive one-knob control system makes switching between brewing and steaming a breeze. Here's why this matters for you. If you want an espresso machine that's simple and effective, this is a great option. Now, some people complained about the limited pressure affecting crema quality. Here's the thing. If you're not a coffee snob and just want a solid cup, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's perfect for beginners or those who just want a quick caffeine fix. This is ideal for you if you're new to espresso making or have limited space. Skip this if you're a serious coffee lover looking for premium quality, but for its price, it's a great starter machine.
Product number 4, Arcana espresso machine. Next on the list is the Arcana compact espresso machine. Priced at $99.98, this one's a good balance between quality and affordability. With a stylish design and a 20-bar pro pump, it caught my attention immediately. If you want something that looks good on your counter and brews strong coffee, give this one a look. The powerful steam wand creates that silky microfoam you need for latte art, which is fantastic for impressing guests. And with a rapid heating system that gets you brewing in just 20 seconds, you won't waste time waiting for your coffee. Here's why this matters for you. Quick coffee prep means you can enjoy your morning routine without the hassle. Some users reported issues with the overheat protection kicking in too soon,
But I'll be real with you. As long as you follow the instructions, this shouldn't be a major issue. It's still a solid machine that delivers great results. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish machine that can keep up with your coffee needs. Skip this if you're looking for something ultra basic. But for the price, it's a fantastic value.
Product number 5, Emusa Electric Espresso Maker. Last but not least, we have the Emusa 4-cup electric espresso maker. At $47, this is a great option for those who want to brew multiple cups at once without spending a fortune. If you love entertaining or just want a good amount of espresso for yourself, this one's worth checking out. This machine brews 4 cups of espresso at a time, which is perfect for gatherings. Plus, it has a milk frother to transform milk into creamy foam, making it versatile for cappuccinos and lattes. Here's why this matters for you. If you love hosting coffee mornings, this will suit your needs perfectly. However, some customers found it a bit bulky for smaller kitchens. Here's the thing though, if you often brew for several people, the size is a small trade-off for the convenience you get. This is ideal for you if you love hosting guests or have a big family. Skip this if kitchen space is a premium for you, but it's an affordable option that delivers solid performance.
To quickly recap, we've covered some fantastic espresso machines. The Breville Barista Express for quality enthusiasts, the Tatix for the aspiring barista, Shardor for budget-conscious beginners, Arcana for a stylish yet functional choice, and the Emusa for those who love brewing in bulk. Each of these machines has its strengths, so think about your needs and pick the one that feels right for you.